Lock ring should be replaced when changing the fuel tank or fuel module. Application-specific design ensures a perfect fit. Original equipment manufacturer, OEM, fit, form and function. Original equipment manufacturer, OEM, design ensures corrosion resistance and prevents leakage from the fuel tank. Innovative engineering, manufacturing technology and quality control ensure that Spectra premium lock rings meet or exceed the performance of the original equipment they replace. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. If you are doing a fuel pump replacement on a Chevy, you will need to get this locking ring. Trust me, your original one will be completely rusted out if you live up north. What's another $10 bucks? Get this when you buy your pump, and don't forget the plastic fuel line retaining clips. You will need them too.